Nag-graduate na. Tago ka pa dyan, ha? Kasi malamang ako. Congratulations! Wow, serious si madam! Mga seryoso yung ka-graduate.
Yay! Congrats, be! Top 2! Masaya yan?
Saya!
Siyempre siya!
Saya, gagraduate na. Canada.
Photo offers dito, available na po at photo mo. Pwede po kayo mag-photo doon. Pwede po rin mag-cheer.
Yan, may pag-garland si Miss Luna. Wow! May pera.
Nakikita niyo ba itong pinagkaya?
Ay, wow! Sige, smile.
Ano ba yung video yan?
May picture yan. A picture!
Sige, kayo naman.
Di ba ang tahimik niyo?
Video yan eh, pero...
May picture. Pwede siya.
Salamat po!
Yes. Sure na talaga. Pero na ito.
Susunod ka lang yung mga diba? Parang walang umuluhan. Ayan. So kayo ay celebrate sa Chinese Star Restaurant. Congratulations. And say Chinese Star Restaurant, congratulations and thank you very much. Sa lahat ng sponsors natin, sa lahat ng mga kasama ka natin mamaya. Again, we would like to take this opportunity to invite all of you para mag-picture dyan sa ating photo booth located on the right side of our function room. At 5 dirhams na po at may souvenir na kayo. And also, Chinese Star Restaurant, Ma'am Joy, thank you very much. Ganun din, Cortez Express, Pilipinas, Arinas, UAE Air Cargo, 2 days basketball chance time for only 40 you want to be. Cargo schedule, we have selected three flyers right now. Hassle-free and fast delivery. Contact details are in the flyers that they are distributing right now. Thank you so much, everyone. And in a while, we will be starting our program. And I believe that this is very important. This day is so important in lahat. Nakantayan mo tayo later on.
Wala pa na si
Thank you very much, trainers. Reza Agsamosam Aso, Nursing Assistant Professional Diploma, Top 2. Rizil Rosalina Manlahi, Nursing. Rizil Rosalina Manlahi, Nursing Assistant Professional Diploma, Top 3.
Ladies and gentlemen, beloved instructor and my fellow graduates, today I am filled with deep gratitude to our institution, Filipino Institute. Thank you for transforming our aspiration into realities, for being more than a school but a sanctuary for growth. To our dedicated instructors, you have been our guides through every challenges, teaching us not just skills, but the spirit of resilience and care. Your lessons have shaped not only careers, but our characters. Our instructor, you will be part of our journey and success in the future. To my fellow graduates, let us dream big, plan to move forward to achieve our dreams, never give up, let our plan and dream become real. Today, I would like to play a short video to say thank you to our beloved instructor, Miss Luna. We will miss you from Sparring Law. These memories of you will stay forever. To my fellow graduates, magbuhay tayo.